So in this question we've been asked to differentiate this function which is a to the power of a. So you'll just have to remember that its differentiation will be 0. But now if you ask how, we'll solve it. So the first thing that we'll be doing is assume this function e to the power of a equals y. And we'll just take log both sides, which would be log y equals log of a to the power of a. Now using the log property, this a would come to the front and it would look something like log y equals a times log a. Now if we differentiate both the sides with respect to x, which is dbs differentiate both sides wrt with respect to x, it would be 1 over y dy by dx. We are using chain rule here, and this thing is something like u times v, and its differentiation is u differentiation of v plus v differentiation of u. Now if we use this formula, it would be something like u, which is a differentiation of log a would be 1 over a, and differentiation of a again will be 0, so times 0, plus v, which is log a, and differentiation of a, which is a constant, is always 0. So now the final answer would be both of these will be 0, because anything times 0 is 0, and if we multiply this y to this side, it will also be 0. So the final answer would be dy by dx is equal to 0. This is how you get the answer 0, but you'll just have to remember it when it comes in the exams.